Question number 8 says that a statue 1.6 meter tall stand on top of a pedestal. Okay, so let me write a rough diagram here. Imagine this is the pedestal. Okay, and the length of pedestal they have not given. There is a statue of length 1.6 meter. Okay, like here to here it is 1.6 meter, and this statue stands on this pedestal. This is pedestal. Okay, now from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60. So let me draw it like this. So this is top of the statue. This angle is 60 degree. Now, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45. So from here itself, top of the pedestal, this is how much? 45 degree. Find the height of pedestal. So they have asked this height. Yes, so did you guys understood the question? Have you
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let me name this as A, this is B, C, and this point as D. Okay, so here AD is statue. What about DC? It is the height of pedestal, right? And B is the point from where we have the angle to the horizon. Okay, so if you look at this figure properly, we are getting two separate figures. If we separate them, I will name this as A, C, B, right? And A, sorry, D, not A. This is D, C, B. In each figure, you have to always consider this 90 degree. Without this right angle, you just can't take any figure. For example, some of you might draw like this. This is A, D, B. But since there is no 90 degree, this cannot be a valid figure. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now ACB, we have the angle 60 degree, and here the angle is 45. Okay, we have to find the length of DC. So I will name this as X. Okay, and this AC can be written as this total length from here to here. I will name this as 1.6 plus X. So let me write this as 1.6 plus X. Got it? Now see here. How are you going to solve? Since we have to find the value of X, what is common in both? It is BC. In both the cases, BC is common, right? So we have to use that thing. See, so let me use the first figure. So here tan theta is O by A. So what is tan 60 degree? It is AC divided by BC. So this is root 3, and AC is 1.6 plus X divided by BC is as it is. Got it? So if I separate, I'll get BC equals to 1.6 plus X divided by root 3. Right? So I'll take this as equation 1. Now in second figure, if I write tan theta, I will get opposite by adjacent. Okay, here tan 45 is equal to DC by BC. Tan 45 is 1, DC is X, BC is unknown. So here if I do cross multiplication, I'll get BC is equal to X. Got it? So this is equation number 2. Are you guys following? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Yes?
No, sir.
Okay. So now I'm going to equate equation 1 and 2. Okay, because both of them have BC, so both of them are equal. So here 1.6 plus x by root 3 is equal to x, right? Now if I do cross multiplication, I'll get 1.6 plus x equals to root 3x. So I'll send x to RHS, so it gets minus, and in LHS we have 1.6. So here if I take x out, I'll get root 3 minus 1. Here it is 1.6. So what will be x? It will be 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. So whenever you have root in denominator, you should do rationalization. Okay, so I will do it. So this is minus 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So I'll get 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, in denominator it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So we'll get a square minus b square. Here root 3 square and minus 1 square we will get, which is equal to 3 minus 1, and that is 2. So I'll write 2 here directly. Now this 1.6 and 2 will get cancelled. So this is 2 eighths. Since decimal is there, I'll write it as 0.8. So our answer is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is x. And what was x? X was the height of pedestal, right? DC. We had taken DC, that is height of pedestal. So this is the answer. Have you guys understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's easy, right?
Yes, sir.
So this type of question you will get for 3
Sir.
marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So each time you have to make two separate figures, solve them separately, and at last substitute one in the other. You will get answer easily. Got it? This
Yes,
chapter
sir.
is very easy. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, those who have raised their hand, you can ask your doubt if you have any. No doubt? Ninth one. The angle of elevation of the top of a building. So let me draw a figure. The angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of a tower is 30 degree. Okay, so if this is a building, this is a tower. From here to here, okay, this is horizontal. So this angle, this I am taking tower, and this whole is building. Okay, so they have told the angle of elevation of top of building from foot of tower. Okay, from foot of the tower. Okay, so this figure will be not like this. The tower is here. So from here the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degree. Okay, this is the tower, imagine now. And the angle of elevation of top of the tower from foot of the building is 60. So foot of the building is this side. So from here they have given this angle as 60. If the tower is 50-meter high, means this side is 50-meter, find the height of building. So this length we have to find. So let me name this as AB. AB is tower and CD is building. Okay, got it? Are you guys following? Many of you have raised your hand. Do you have any doubt? If not, kindly unraise. Okay, so again we have two figures. So let me draw them separately. Okay, so this is A, B, and this side it is C. This is 60 degree, this is 50 meter. Now in this side we have B, C, D, and this angle is 30. Okay, so using this we can find BC, and you can substitute BC in this, then we will get DC. Right? Are you getting? It's very simple. Okay, yeah. So let us use tan theta. So tan theta here is O by A. So if theta is at this C, this AB is O and this BC is A, opposite and adjacent. So tan 60 is AB by BC, right? Now tan 60 is root 3, AB is 50 divided by BC we don't know. So if I solve, I'll get BC as 50 by root 3. So let me keep it as it is because I have to substitute it in the other one. Now using this triangle, tan theta is O by A. Here opposite is this DC and BC is adjacent. And since they have given tan 30, let me write it as it is. So this is 1 by root 3. DC is unknown, and BC I can substitute it as 50 by root 3. Okay, from the first one, like from here. Now if I solve this, I'll get 1 by root 3 is equal to DC. This root 3 will come up since it is in denominator, and this 50 in the denominator it will come. I hope you know this step. Next is do the cross multiplication. Okay, so I'll get DC into root 3 into root 3 equals to 50. So if I solve this, I'll get DC into 3, which is equal to 50. So DC is 50 by 3. So even if you leave this much, you'll get the answer, or you can divide it 50 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 2 0, 3 6 are 18, again 2 0, 3 6 are 18. So you'll get 16.66 meter. And what is that? That is DC, right? And DC is what? It is the height of the building. So have you guys understood this? If you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. Okay, some of you have raised. So question number 10. This time it says that two poles. Where is it? Yeah, here. Two poles equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. Okay, two poles of equal height. So imagine this is the road. On either side means one is in left side, the other is in right side, and they are of equal length. Okay, these poles, they are 80 meter wide. So from here to here the distance is 80 meter. Got it? Now from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30 respectively. Okay, so any point I can take, let me take this as point P. So from this we don't know where is it, but it says that one side it is 60 degree and the other is 30 degree. The angle of elevation is 60 and 30 respectively. Find the height of the poles. Okay, so this height you have to find first, and the distance of the point from the poles. So from here to here, what is the distance? Again from here to here. Got it? Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll name this as A, B. This is first pole. CD as the second pole. And the distance between BD is 80. We don't know BP and PD. So let me take BP as X. If BP is X, PD will be 80 minus X, right? Yeah. So using this condition, we'll get the two figures here. Let me name this as, it is same, ABP. Here the angle is 60. This is X. And now the second figure will be something like this. This is P, C, D. Okay. And this is 80 minus X. This side we have 30 degree. But one thing is given, that AB is equal to CD, right? Sorry, just a minute. It happened. Can you see the screen? Yeah, they have told AB is equal to CD. This is very important data which is given. So using this, we will solve this. See, so I'll use here tan 60. I'm doing directly. So I'll get AB by BP. Okay, tan 60 is root 3. So I'll get AB by X. This is first case. Now tan 30 is CD by PD. Correct. So this is 1 by root 3 CD divided by 80 minus X. Now I can write this CD as AB because of the given condition, AB equals to CD. So this is AB by 80 minus X divided by is equal to 1 by root 3. Now in both cases we have AB, here it is root 3 into X, and here I'll get AB as, if I do cross multiplication, it is 80 minus X divided by root 3. So both I am going to equate now. AB equals to AB. Both the cases. So in LHS we have how much? Root 3x. In RHS we have 80 minus x divided by root 3. So I'll do the cross multiplication. So root 3 into root 3, again root 3 square. So this is 3x. And in RHS we have 80 minus x. So if I bring this x to LHS, it's become 3x plus x, which is 80. So 4x is 80 by 4. Sorry, 80. So x is 80 by 4, and that is equal to 20. So x is 20 meter. Okay. And what is x? It is the distance of B to P. So if this is 20, this is 80 minus 20, right? And how much is that? 60. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys getting? Yeah. But one more thing they have asked, to find AB. So AB is what? As per data, AB is root 3 into x. So root 3 into x is 20. So answer is 20 root 3. This is the height of the pole. 20 root 3. So you have to write it. In your exam, if they ask, you have to write it separately. Height of the pole is 20 root 3. And the distance from P to B is 20. And P to D is 60. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so shall I stop it here, or 2, 4, 5 questions are left, right?
Sir, can you explain for one more time, sir?
Which one?
This sum, sir.